Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring the LiberNovo Omni, a dynamic ergonomic chair claimed to be the world's first. Built by LiberNovo's expert team, with experience at DJI and Narwhal, it prioritizes smarter posture, adaptive motion, and complete body support. We'll unbox it, explore its features, and decide if it lives up to the hype. Let's begin. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Unboxing. The chair comes in secure, high-quality packaging, and inside, you'll find the Omni chair itself, carefully wrapped, detachable headrest and footrest accessories, a toolkit with all necessary screws and Allen keys, a quick setup guide, set of 8 flexible back panels with 14 dual-link joints and 16 ball joint pivots for the bionic FlexFit backrest assembly was smooth. It took us about 15 to 20 minutes. All parts were well labeled and sturdy, with a thoughtful design that shows from the moment you open the box. Key features: bionic FlexFit backrest plus Ergo Pulse motor system. This chair literally mirrors your back. It uses 8 flexible back panels, 14 dual-link joints, and 16 ball joint pivots, supported by a powered air cylinder to mold into a personalized S-curve. You get continuous support without needing to manually adjust anything. Omni Dyna Support System. It's not just about your back. The headrest, backrest, armrests, seat, and cushion all move as a single synchronized unit, thanks to 6 SynchroLink mechanisms and 60 Motion Flex joints. No matter how you shift, your body is fully supported. Additionally, the chair features adaptive lumbar support that adjusts in real time to maintain the natural curve of your spine, reducing strain during long sitting sessions. The armrests are 4D adjustable, allowing you to modify their height, depth, width, and angle to suit your specific needs, whether you're typing, gaming, or relaxing. The seat itself comes with dynamic pressure distribution technology, ensuring even weight dispersion to prevent discomfort and promote better circulation. The cushion incorporates advanced memory foam with cooling gel layers to keep you comfortable and fresh throughout the day. Moreover, the chair's responsive tilt mechanism with multi-lock positions lets you find the perfect recline angle for any activity, from focused work to casual reading. Integrated vibration massage settings in the backrest add an extra level of relaxation, easing muscle tension as you sit. With its holistic design, the LiberNovo Omni offers unparalleled support, adapting seamlessly to every movement, ensuring that your entire body feels balanced and at ease. Omni Stretch Mode. Need a break? Activate the 160-degree zero-gravity stretch mode, which decompresses your spine and muscles. It's like a quick massage without leaving your chair. Perfect for midday resets. 4 comfort modes. With just one click, switch between. Meeting mode, 105 degrees, designed to minimize fatigue during extended work calls. Solo work mode, 120 degrees. Effectively decreases body pressure by 51%. Relax mode, 135 degrees. Increases brain oxygen levels by 15%, enhancing creativity. Massage mode, 160 degrees. Offers a full recline for ultimate comfort. The absence of a forward tilt is deliberate, as reclining significantly alleviates spinal pressure, particularly beneficial for screen-related activities. VariFlex cushion. A tri-zone cushion, soft front for legs, medium center for hips, and firm back for core. Ensures that every inch of your seat is tailored to your comfort. Head-to-toe ergonomics. Removable headrest. Adaptive neck support. The included headrest is fully adjustable and removable, tailored to support your neck regardless of posture. Whether you're working upright, slightly reclined for focused reading, or fully reclined during a rest, the headrest moves with you. It's designed to cradle the neck at just the right angle, reducing the risk of stiffness, strain, or long-term tension. Extendable footrest, elevated support. One of the standout additions is the optional footrest, which slides out effortlessly. When paired with the chair's 160-degree recline in massage mode, it elevates your legs, reduces spinal pressure, and promotes a zero-gravity effect. It's not just about rest. It's about decompressing your entire musculoskeletal system. Ideal for long workdays, recovery sessions, or even short power naps. Conclusion: it's more than just ergonomic. It's dynamic, adaptive, and intuitively supportive. If you work long hours or struggle with back stiffness, this chair feels like an investment in your health. The build quality, thoughtful engineering, and automatic posture correction are truly next level. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.